Welcome back to our channel as we explore the SMONET Smart Door Lock for your home security. This lock offers 10 different ways to enter, including fingerprint, app, and secure fobs for easy access. You can easily manage everything through the mobile app and track all lock activity in real time. The secure turn knob and auto lock feature ensure your home stays safe and protected at all times. Easily store over 300 custom codes or share electronic keys with your friends and rental guests. Simply connect a Wi-Fi hub to enable remote unlocking and convenient voice control from anywhere you are. Installation is simple with just a screwdriver, and you get lifetime technical support for total peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.